Good morning and welcome to Self-Leadership. This is Dr. Heather Rasmussen. I'm here just dropping a quick video to introduce you to the first module in week 1 here. So welcome to beginning your journey of thinking about self-leadership and our vocational calling. In this module, you'll be introduced to positive psychology, the field of positive psychology, as well as vocational calling as we think about it in this program. So anytime we are thinking about ourselves or our own growth, it's a natural progression to talk about meaning in life and what makes life worth living. This week, you'll watch a couple of videos that deal with those topics, so I encourage you to reflect on those ideas as you watch. We'll also include information on mindfulness and curiosity this week. We do this very purposefully here at the beginning of the course. As you are going through the journey of self-exploration in this course, you do need to be in a place where you have a mindset where you're actively engaged and aware of the present moment. So you'll note as you go through your readings and resources for this week that we include Ellen Langer's perspective on mindfulness. This also is very purposeful. Her perspective is not only non-denominational, but it's also really simple to grasp. One of my mentors, Dr. Shane Lopez, who you'll learn about in this course later on, introduced me to Dr. Langer. As I mentioned, her approach to mindfulness is simple, yet she's also gathered quite a bit of an empirical support for her theory. Her theory boils down to this: notice new things. Search for novelty. So I hope you enjoy her talk and the Harvard Business Review article on mindfulness as well. Along with mindfulness, we have information on curiosity. And curiosity is also very important for our own well-being and is important as we start to look at our own self-leadership when we go through the program. So I can't wait to watch and read your discussion post this week. I hope you have a wonderful week, and please do reach out if you have any questions. I'm also going to post some tips for success in the announcement as well. Take care, everybody.